The kitchen I'm going to share today was an old, outdated oak cabinet, laminate countertop kitchen. The new kitchen cabinets are Countryside cabinet manufacturer with a Kenley door panel with a bisque painted door with a 5-piece drawer front. So in order to maximize this customer space, we added taller uppers and did a 2-piece crown. That way she has a little bit more storage than she had in her previous kitchen. This customer had a peninsula right here, and she wanted to take the peninsula out and add an island. Her peninsula had her dishwasher in it. We put the dishwasher where her sink is, and then we had a little extra space to make the island a little bit bigger, to give her a little added storage space as well. Since we added this beautiful island, I wanted to make sure she had an additional task lighting, so we added a pendant lighting above her island. We also wanted to relocate her refrigerator so it wasn't in the opening that was always blocked when people were using it. And she also wanted to add a nice smaller countertop fridge for all her refreshment needs. And we added some beautiful glass in the cabinet above it to really accent this space. Delicus White is the name of this beautiful countertop. For the backsplash here, she had a Calcutta hexagon tile that turned out absolutely beautiful with the color of the granite, and she had a pewter grout. We also added a nice ledge with her window space. She used to have the old oak window. We added a new vinyl casement window. We took out all that old oak trim that was round and drywall wrapped it and accented with the little rub bronze edging for the backsplash, and it really makes this space look beautiful. We finished off this backsplash by adding some under cabinet lighting with some under cabinet light rail, and it's a dimmable LED, which really gives her plenty of task lighting when using this kitchen. A lot more customers are wanting the single bowl deep sinks, so we took out her smaller double bowl sink and put a huge single bowl sink that's very deep, and she also has this beautiful indie Moen fixture to complement the sink. She also added this pantry with roll-out trays, so you can access all the way back the whole 24 inches, which really lets you maximize the space. Overall, this customer was truly satisfied with the beautiful kitchen that she got, with the added additional space, the extra countertop space, the functional way that she can operate with her refrigerator, and she's truly in love with this kitchen.